As the volume, variety, and velocity of data grow exponentially, companies face increasing pressure to manage sensitive information responsibly, from customer records and employee files to financial data and intellectual property. Businesses must not only keep data safe, but also prove it to regulators and stakeholders. This is where BigID plays a transformative role. BigID is a leading data intelligence and privacy automation platform that enables organizations to discover, classify, and manage sensitive and personal data at scale. It empowers privacy, security, and data governance teams with deep visibility across their data landscape, on premises, in the cloud, or across hybrid environments. With ever tightening regulations like GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, and new global standards emerging in 2025, BigID offers the tools necessary to stay compliant, reduce risk, and build customer trust. In this video, we'll walk you through BigID's most powerful features, explain how they support your data protection goals, and show why it remains a top-tier solution for privacy, compliance, and governance in 2025. So for its key features and benefits, first is the automated data discovery and classification. BigID automatically scans and identifies sensitive data such as PII, PHI, and financial information across your entire data ecosystem. It connects with cloud storage providers, relational and NoSQL databases, collaboration platforms, and even legacy systems. This reduces manual discovery efforts, ensures no sensitive data slips through the cracks, and forms the foundation for compliance, reporting, security measures, and life cycle governance. Another key feature is the comprehensive data mapping and inventory. BigID builds intelligent data maps that visualize how personal data moves across systems, users, and applications. It can trace data from its origin to its current location and usage, offering detailed lineage and relationship insights. This gives you a real-time, always updated understanding of your data estate, essential for privacy impact assessments, compliance documentation, and internal audits. Another key feature is the DSAR management and privacy rights automation. Data subject access requests and consumer privacy rights are a major regulatory requirement. BigID automates the process of identifying and gathering personal data across systems in response to access, deletion, or correction requests. This accelerates response times, lowers the cost of compliance, and ensures that all privacy rights are fulfilled in accordance with the law, minimizing the risk of penalties. Another key feature is the risk scoring, policy management, and remediation. BigID doesn't just find sensitive data. It also assigns contextual risk scores based on access, location, regulatory context, and data type. It flags violations and offers built-in remediation workflows such as tagging data for retention, flagging access rights, or initiating deletion requests. This enables your team to prioritize risk management efforts and focus on higher risk data first, improving both operational efficiency and regulatory readiness. Another key feature is the ecosystem integration and extensibility. BigID connects seamlessly with major tools in your tech stack, including SIEMs, cloud providers, workflow platforms, governance tools, and security solutions. Its APIs allow for custom workflows and automation to support large-scale operations. This ensures BigID becomes a central part of your data operations, enabling a unified privacy, governance, and security strategy that scales with your business. So, why is BigID a great choice? BigID is more than just a compliance tool. It's a comprehensive data intelligence platform that helps you understand, protect, and manage your data with confidence. Its AI powered classification engine, real time mapping, and actionable insights make it one of the most advanced solutions on the market in 2025. One of the biggest advantages of BigID is its modular approach. You can start with privacy management, then expand into data retention, consent governance, sensitive data cleanup, and more without switching platforms. This makes it cost effective, future proof, and aligned with growing organizational needs. So, in an era where data protection is both a legal obligation and a competitive advantage, BigID gives companies the tools to operationalize privacy and go beyond reactive compliance. So, in 2025, managing data privacy and protection requires more than policy documents. It demands intelligent, automated, and scalable tools. BigID helps organizations tackle the challenge head on by delivering deep data visibility, streamlined compliance workflows, and proactive risk reduction across their entire digital infrastructure. So, if your organization is dealing with complex data regulations, distributed systems, or growing volumes of personal data, BigID provides the structure, automation, and intelligence you need. So start using BigID today to transform your data privacy strategy into a competitive advantage and gain peace of mind knowing your sensitive data is under control. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.